Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make these peanut butter filled chocolate lava cakes using an air fryer. But not just any air fryer, this is the Sur La Table Kitchen Essentials 5-quart air fryer. This thing is amazing. It's small, compact, and it can fit on your counter without taking up much space. So in partnership with them, I'm going to show you how to bake these lava cakes. First thing we need to do to make this recipe is mix our ingredients. I have a medium bowl here. In that medium bowl, I'm putting half a cup of butter in it. Next, 1 cup of chocolate chips. Then we're going to take this, put this in the microwave, and we're going to heat it up until it melts. 30 seconds at a time, stirring in between. All right, as you can see, our chocolate has melted. It should be nice and creamy like that. Next, what we're going to add is 2 egg yolks, just the yolks only, and 2 large whole eggs. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and half a cup of powdered sugar. Then just whisk this until it's well combined. When that's all mixed up, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of flour and a 1/4 cup of cocoa and a dash of salt. Mix this until it's well combined. Next, we're going to grease 4 ramekins. I'm just going to use some softened butter with a paper towel and grease this. Get it really greasy. Now fill each of these ramekins half full with your batter. Take about a teaspoon of peanut butter, push it in right in the middle there, and just cover up the top with the rest of your batter. When your ramekins are all filled, we're going to cover them with foil. Just place the foil on top and wrap it really tight. Now that these are all wrapped up, I'm going to use my Sur La Table air fryer to cook these. This is a 5-quart air fryer from Sur La Table. It also comes in 8 quarts and 11 quarts. The 11 quart is a dual basket air fryer, and you can cook 2 different things at 2 different temperatures and have them come out at the same time. This air fryer does have 4 different functions, so when you hit start, you have a choice between air fry, bake, roast, or broil. For this recipe, I am going to use the bake function, so I'll just hit bake. And the temperature is going to be 375, so I need to increase the temperature up to 375 just by hitting the plus button. And for the time, I'm going to hit minus button. We need to cook this for 12 minutes with the foil on and then 6 minutes with the foil off. Let's open this up. We're going to place our ramekins inside of here. As you see, this air fryer has a nice large tray, so you can cook just about anything in there. Put it in. And it's 375 for 12 minutes, and we'll hit start. We'll come back after 12 minutes. All right, it's been 12 minutes. We're going to remove these from the air fryer. And all we're going to do is remove the foil from them now. Be careful, I am going to use some oven gloves. Carefully remove the foil. Just remove all that foil from it. And looks pretty good so far. And we're just going to put this back in there. Again, bake function, and raise it up to 375, just 6 minutes. And we'll come back when it's all done. Here's a function other air fryers don't have. Here's that light, and you can see inside there through this window and look at the stuff baking inside. So that's it. It has baked for the other 6 minutes. The Sur La Table has an auto shutoff feature, so it will shut off. Right there it did. If you heard that, I'm not sure. But it did. It shut off on its own. Safety is very important. Let's open this up and see how they look. Ooh. I'm going to grab my oven mitt. And let's take this one because it looks the best. I'm just going to put this inside here just to keep them warm. This is one of them that came out. I am going to take a knife and kind of go around the edge here just to loosen it up. So when I turn this upside down, hopefully it all comes out. I always have bad luck with these, but we'll see how it turns out. I am going to put 2 gloves on for this. Now let's see if this works out good. And it's hard to get a hold of a ramekin. Not bad. That looks pretty good. If you don't know, I always have bad luck making chocolate lava cake. I think I found the way to do it now using this air fryer because this one looks really, really good. I'm going to cut into this in a minute and just to see how perfect it is on the inside. And cut to this side a little. Ooh, look at the inside. That's not bad. That looks good. And now it's time for the taste test. I'm going to dig in to our peanut butter chocolate lava cake. Chocolate and peanut butter are the best. This is delicious. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And if you want to learn more about the Sur La Table air fryers, hit that link below and you can see how you can get a hold of one.